Hello, good morning everyone, and once again welcome back in our EVS class. Today I am going to teach you, not only teach, but I am going to also show you many different things, and I know you all will see and enjoy very much. Yes? Okay, so good morning everyone, and welcome to our EVS class. Today, this is the sixth chapter which we are going to read, and the name of the chapter I have already told you is water. Yes, which we have already done in the previous video. And this is the second video of chapter number 6, water. Okay, children, do you remember what we have done in the previous video? Do you remember that, what we have done? Tell me. Yes, absolutely correct. We have done that why we need a water, okay, and what are the sources of water, right? We have done all these 2 points, and today in this video I am going to tell about the qualities of water. What are the qualities of water? Okay, so for showing or telling the qualities of water, I am going to show you also and tell you also. Okay, and if you will see and understand, you will be very quickly, you will understand what are the qualities of water. So come on, I think you all are ready for that. Yes, in fact I am also ready to show you the qualities of water. So before showing children, I will tell you. Okay, so listen carefully. So the topic for today is qualities of water. What are the qualities present in water? There are 4 qualities present in water. Okay, the first one is that water has no color. Okay, water has no color is the first quality. Second quality is that water has no fixed shape. If you pour some water in any container, either in a glass or in a bowl or in a cup, it takes the shape of that container. Don't worry, I will show everything. How it takes the shape of the container, how water has no color, everything I will show you. But first you have to listen. Okay? So, water has no fixed shape. It takes the shape of the glass or bottle or any container which you pour water in that container. Right? 2 qualities is over. The third one is that water is tasteless. It does not have any taste. Okay? Water does not have any taste. If you eat some vegetables or pulses or any other food items, there is no something salty, and if you're drinking some juice, is it very sweet? But when you drink water, does water has any taste? No, it does not have any taste. It is neither salty nor it is sweet. Okay? So the fourth point of qualities of water is water does not have any smell. Water does not have any smell. Okay? So children, this is the 4 qualities of water. I am repeating again the qualities of water. How many qualities of water are there? 4 qualities of water. What are they? Number 1, water has no color. Water has no color. Second, water has no fixed shape. It takes the shape of the container when the water is poured in any container. Clear? Third one, water is tasteless. It does not have any taste. Okay? Fourth one, water does not have any smell. You cannot smell the water because it does not have any smell. When you smell a rose flower, the fragrance of the rose is coming now. It's so smelling very good. When your mother is cooking some tasty food in the kitchen, the smell comes to your nose and you say, Mama, you are making such a delicious food. It smells so good. But when you smell a water, it does not have any smell. Yes? Yes, it is correct that water does not have any smell. So now children, I will show you with the experiments. I know you all will enjoy looking to these experiments. So are you ready? Sit straight in near your phone and don't go anywhere else. I am going to show you. The first quality was what I said. Water has no color. Now I will show you. Wait. See. First of all, you see, this is a bottle. This is also a bottle and this is also water. Okay. There are three bottles. Green color, purple color and orange color. Okay. You are thinking in this green bottle, the water is looking green. Yes. In this purple bottle, the water is looking purple. And in this orange bottle, the water is looking orange. Means there are different colors of water? No, it is not color. I will show you. See, when I pour this water, orange bottle's water in this glass, what happens? Let's see. Wait. See. I am pouring this water. Oh my God! The water is transparent. It is not orange in color. See? And the water which is inside this bottle is looking in orange color. But the same water when I poured this inside the glass, it is colorless. Means the water has no color. Right? The water has no color. See, you can also see now the water is transparent. There is no color inside it. Okay. So, this is water has no color. But, wait children, but if you add some colors in the water, it will make the water with that color. It will mix the water with that color. That also I am showing you. See, if I am taking this red color, okay. If I am taking this red color and I am mixing this red color, okay, I am mixing this red color in this water. I am mixing this red color in this water. Just see what happens. The water will become red. The water will become red, okay. The water will become red. Yes, see, now see what you can see this. Water has become red. Why it has become red? Because I have mixed the red color inside this. So it has become red. But for the opinion as I tell you that the water has no color. Have you seen now? Yes. Now, the next thing. The next thing is children, water has no color, you have seen. Same way if I mix this green color in this any water, in the water will become green. If I add this black color in the water will become black. So it takes the color of whatever color you mix with the water, but the original color of water is transparent. Clear? The original color of water is transparent. See, the original color. When you mix the water, this is the color, means it has no color. But when you mix the color with any other color, the water will become that color. Okay? Okay. Next one is water has no fixed shape. As I already told you, water has no fixed shape. It takes the shape of the container. But how? See, same way, if the water is inside this bottle, it has taken the shape of the bottle. Yes. When this water is inside the glass, you can see it has taken the shape of the glass. But when I pour this water in this bowl, see, if when I pour this water in the bowl, it has taken the shape of the bowl. Yes? Okay. When in the same way, if I pour this water in the cup, It has taken the shape of the cup. So that means that the water does not have a fixed shape. It takes the shape of any container. If you are putting the water in a saucepan, it will take the shape of the saucepan. If you are putting the water in the plate, means deep plate, it will take the shape of the deep plate. So water can take the shape of any container in which you are pouring. Understood, children? Okay. So the third one is water is tasteless. Okay, I will show you. Wait. When you drink water, see children, I am pouring some water in the glass. I have poured some water in the glass and I am drinking this water. I did not feel any taste of this water. No. This water is tasteless. Neither it is salty nor it is sweet. But when you eat a sweet, that is many different sweets like gulab jamun or in any kalakan mithai or whatever you say, if you are eating a very spicy vegetable, okay, and if you are eating any other different kurkure and snacks and Maggi, and it has some taste, right? It has some taste. Either it is salty, either it is sweet. But when I am drinking this water, water has no taste. Understood? This was the third quality of water. But the last and the most important is that water does not have any smell. Water does not have any smell. See, same way, if I smelling this water, if I smell this water, everyone, you also take one glass of water in front of you. Tell your mothers to give you the glass of water and sit in front of you. Come on, every children. And you smell the water. You smell the water. Is it smelling something? Does water has any smell? No. You are also not getting any smell in your nose now of water? No. The same way, children, if you take a glass of water and sit in front of your glass, take the one glass of water and sit in front of you and you taste the water. I have also tasted. You also taste now. Drink one sip of water you drink and tell me, is there any taste in the water? Is any student is having any taste? When you're drinking the water, do you recognize that there is some taste in the water? No, na? So what I said, water does not have any taste and water does not have any smell. Okay, children? So these four was the main qualities of water. First quality, that water does not have any color, means water is transparent, it has no color. But when you add some color in the water becomes the color, will take the color of that object, means that color. Okay, water will be in of that color, which color you have added. Okay, second was that water has no fixed shape. If you pour this water in the bowl, it will take the shape of the bowl. If you pour the water in the bottle, it will take the shape of this bottle. If I pour the water in this bottle, it is taking the shape of green bottle. And if it is in this purple bottle, the water is taking the shape of this bottle. Clear? And I have already told you it has no taste and it does not have any smell. So children, I hope you all have understood the qualities of water which I have explained you through this small experiment. Yes, everyone has understood now? Okay, children. So now very quickly you all open your EVS course book, and from that course book we will read the chapter and we will do the classwork as well as homework. So very quickly take out your EVS course book and be ready with your EVS copy also. Come on.